Welborn Electric specializes in commercial exterior safety lighting installations that improve visibility, security, and safety for your property. Our licensed electricians deliver clean, code-compliant, energy-efficient lighting built for reliability. Serving Greensboro and the Triad, Welborn Electric helps keep your business well-lit and protected after dark. Call Welborn Electric at 336-292-3897 or visit www.welbornelectric.com to get started.